Characteristics of prophets. Characteristics of true prophets. They heard God's voice calling them. They communicated God's message without fear. They were given specific tasks to carry out. Their prophecies came to pass. They never worked for material gain. They spoke the truth in all circumstances. They obeyed God's call. Most of their messages were not popular with people. They led prayerful lives. They called people back to the covenant way of life. Some were persecuted in their work, for example, Jeremiah. They pronounced God's judgment on the people. They condemned evil in the society. They lived exemplary lives. They acknowledged God as the only true God and condemned idolatry. They had a special relationship with God. They used various symbolic acts to pass God's message. Many possess charismatic gifts of performing miracles. They acted as mediators between God and the people. False prophets. They prophesied for false gods such as Baal. For example, Hananiah, Micaiah, Noadiah. Characteristics of false prophets. They did not receive divine call from God. They were self-appointed. They prophesied for material gain or demanded payment for their services. Their prophecies never came to pass. They did not speak with authority when changed. They did not speak with authority when challenged. They were polytheists, or rather worshipped many gods. They did not receive visions and dreams from God. They used evil forces to prophesy. They did not condemn social evils or economic and political injustice in Israel. They prophesied what people wanted to hear. That is, their messages were popular to the people. They gave false hope and confidence to the people. They were not prayerful. They did not live exemplary lives. Role of traditional African prophets. They predicted the future events. Some acted as judges. They were consulted by people on various issues of life, acted as mediators, acted as interpreters of God's message in the society. They advised traditional kings. They condemned social evils in their communities. Comparison between the Old Testament prophets and traditional African prophets. Similarities between the Old Testament prophets and traditional African prophets. Both mediated between God and the people. Both were expected to obey God. Both predicted future events that came to pass. Both were religious leaders who offered prayers and sacrifices. Both advised political leaders. Both urged people to uphold morality and justice. In both, it was comprised of prophets and prophetesses. Both had personal relationship with God. Both had divine calling from God. Both warned the people of dangers of disobeying God. In both, they didn't receive formal training. In both, they lived exemplary lives. In both, they spoke with authority. In both, they were consulted by God during crises. In both, they warned the people of an impending danger. Both had supernatural powers to exercise their duties. Differences between the Old Testament prophets and the African prophets. Old Testament prophets emphasized on the worship of one God, while in the African prophets recognized many gods. Old Testament prophets faced opposition and rejection, while in African prophets were highly respected and honored. Old Testament prophetic messages were preserved in writing, while in the African, prophetic messages were passed orally. In Old Testament, prophets prophesied to other nations, while in traditional African, prophets were restricted to their communities. In Old Testament, prophets announced the coming of Jesus, while the traditional African prophets had no such idea. Old Testament prophets received messages directly from God, while in traditional African, prophets received messages from spirits and ancestors. Old Testament prophets did not participate in soothsaying, while traditional prophets participated in soothsaying. Old Testament prophets were not diviners, while some traditional African prophets were diviners. Traditional African prophetic office could be hereditary, while Old Testament prophetic office was not hereditary. The authority of Old Testament prophets came directly from God, while traditional African prophets' authority came from spirits and ancestors.